family, so this is how my Aunt Nicole hair is looking when I started her first treatment, when I personally started doing her hair. She been natural for 30 plus years, but she normally straighten and blow dry her hair. So on January 28th, this is her first intense treatment that I did for her using my hair routine, and this is how her hair is looking. Now, this is February 28th, just 1 month later, after a constant treatment that she also been doing on herself when she went back after getting her first treatment. I will leave all of those videos down below for you guys to see. And for this treatment, I'm going to be using an Ayurvedic treatment on her. And this will be her first time using Ayurvedic treatment on her. If you guys can see, from the first day I started her treatment to now, it's just 1 month difference, and you can already see the difference in her hair. You can see the length, you can see the thickness, you can see how her curls are looking so bouncy and so full. Now, natural is always the best. My DIY ingredients are working, and you guys get to see it hands and real life, not just using it on myself and my daughter's hair anymore. And I hope you guys continue with me on this journey so you guys can see the improvement of her hair from day one up to her 6 months treatment. The first powder I will be using is my brain rash powder. It nourishes the scalp and hair and prevent hair loss. Brain wash is also considered one of the best Ayurvedic remedy for hair loss. It is a reliever of scalp infections. Brain wash powder can also be used as a scalp exfoliator, and the anti-inflammatory properties make it a great powder for soothing inflamed scalps and keeping scalp infections away. If this is your first time using this powder, I would recommend that you make some research on it. My next ingredient I will be using on her hair is my henna powder. Now, this henna I'm using is just a neutral henna. It is a conditioning henna. It does not consist of the dye content, which is the lozenge dye and henna that can color your hair. This is just a great conditioning henna that also strengthens your hair and also seals the bonds in your hair cuticles and make your hair appear thicker. I'm just going to be using 3 tablespoons of that. And according to her hair length and hair thickness, I'm just using the measurement that I feel will be good for her. I'm also going to be going in with my Coca-Cola powder. This powder is one of the most popular Ayurvedic herbs. It is known to increase hair length and stimulate hair growth. Peach powder support healthy hair growth and improve the condition of hair by blocking DHT. DHT is a hormone that is responsible for all of our hair loss issue. This powder also stimulates circulation to the scalp, which helps oxygen and vital nutrients reach hair roots and follicles where they are needed. I'm just going to mix all of my ingredients together, and then I'm going in with my warm water. I love to mix my Ayurvedic herbs with warm water, so I'm just going to be adding in water until I get the perfect consistency. After that, I'm going in with my Secrets Growth Oil. My company sells this. You can go in with any growth oil that you feel is good enough. I'm going to be adding in about 3 tablespoons of that. This is my 21 ingredient growth oil, and it takes us 3 weeks to a month for the infusion of this oil. And then after, I'm just going to give it a good stir. And then I will leave this overnight because it's late here. And then tomorrow I will start to apply it to her hair. This pre-poo treatment left your hair so soft.
Let me tell you,
fresh aloe vera.
That's what I'm saying. It's been soft for a couple of days. I didn't have to do nothing to it. I didn't have to put no water or anything. This is it. But I like that feeling. I had that dry feeling for a couple of days.
Just feel natural.
Yep. Scalp getting the air and everything.
It's the same with my hair right now. After I rinse out my homemade deep condition, I just throw it into this hairstyle I'm wearing. There's no product on it. I just add a little bit of the secret growth oil on my hand, massage it in, and that's all. I didn't even add any butters or nothing else to it. I think I just gonna part it in 3 sections.
Okay.
I love to apply it on damp hair.
True.
Not dripping wet and also not dry. Let's just get it a bit damp for the treatment to stick on it here. So I initially planned for her to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes, but we lost track of time and she was under there for I think 45 minutes because when we look at the time and we was laughing. So I just cover her hair up with a plastic cap and then I also threw a plastic bag over it and she sat under the steamer. And then after that, we left the treatment on her for anywhere between 4 to 5 hours. And then when we rinse it out, and this is how her hair is looking. So bouncy, so full, so beautiful. Yes, her hair is really accepting the DIY treatments and also the growth oils, the secret growth oil and the caffeine growth oil. And she also doing her regular pre-poo, and then she's doing the bentonite clay, and then she also doing her deep condition treatment, but that's something that she needs to do more often. And then and she's just keeping her hair very moisturized. And then after, I just throw it into big twist. Tomorrow we are going to do a deep condition treatment on her hair. Because you know, when you use Ayurvedic treatment, it leaves your hair a little bit dry. So you have to go in with a deep condition treatment. but it's very late here now, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.